Right, so we're here at the GHL event. We have Polly from Maybe Tech. Polly.
Hello, Rupert. How are you?
So, Polly, tell me about Maybe Tech quickly in a quick, short sentence.
So Maybe's vision is to enable any size of business, regardless of technical capability, to be able to deploy AI safely and securely.
How do you access this AI that you have?
Well, you've built the most amazing app, Rupert, that lives on Go High Level, called Your AI.
Your AI.
Absolutely. And it means that you can add to your agency and all your agency sub-accounts Your AI, which knows how to be the business. And it can do everything from the normal stuff like write content to vet calls when they come in.
It's quite intricate with the workflow situations that you could perform with it. Because alongside the workflow, you could almost do anything you'd like to with the AI, from tools to text, profiling what your clients and customers are doing inside of theirs. It is quite limitless once you start putting maybe AI into automation building.
That's why we've called it Your AI, because it really is. It's turning your data into something so much more valuable. It's much deeper than anything else that's out there.
When somebody starts to use an AI, how does it become yours from the start?
That's a great question. So when you sign up to your account, you add your website, you add your social media, and then you can add anything else you want to the knowledge base. So you can add your price list, your products, your brand guidelines, and you can change them whenever you want.
You could upload like videos and voices and PDFs, just like any kind of document you need to let the AI know what you need it to know it about.
Any format you like, JSON files, Excel. But then you can build assistants that have specialist knowledge where you can upload those files again. So for example, for call monitoring, you can build a system that knows exactly how to sell your product. What's really interesting is it makes any narrow use case possible. And whatever is the thing that's hard to do, and particularly repetitive tasks, this will do it. So we've built a really great content calendar that knows everything from it's your pat the dog day to it's gin and tonic day across the world.
There's a lot of fun ones.
There's a lot of fun ones in there. It knows it's you, so it turns National Gin and Tonic Day into your post, creates an image for it. We'll do it in any nationality, any language. You create the image and just press schedule. And inside GHL, it just means that content is already scheduled for you. So it makes it super simple. I think there are two key points, which is yes, the more they use it, the more they make with it. But actually, it's a really sticky app. So not only do you make more money, you reduce your churn. Because
Retention becomes a lot higher.
Retention becomes much higher because you're delivering extreme value. What's been fascinating about the conference is hearing all the different challenges that agencies have.
There's a lot.
And there are so many, what I call those things that make people give up, we fix. So it's about making it easier to deliver better client experience, because once the AI knows how to be the company, whether it's creating content, fixing workflows, making processes better, your AI makes that possible. And so it's not just about more revenue, it's about more retention.
Introducing the Supercharged App Creator from the Level Up Marketplace, an easy, no-code solution for creating your very own app.
So, we're at the High Level event. It's your first time coming. How did you like it?
I loved it. I love the passion. I love the fact there's so much community. I love the fact that everybody's so focused on helping other businesses. And I think it's really exciting to see so many agencies that are very focused on particular niches, but actually using a common technology. It's really exciting. And I think the work the developers are doing it's just brilliant to see how you're making the world so much more connected. Now I'm really excited by the sort of the energy and the vibrancy in the community, and I think what we can do is endless. So yeah, really excited.
So if Sean, Varun and Robin were here and I was to say, can you give them some words of encouragement or maybe an idea of a feature for next year, what would they be?
I think that it's unnecessarily hard to get started for some businesses, but that's not the software's problem. I think there's actually there's a human element here of people think things are too hard, and it's not. High Level has got so many great features that actually, I think the one thing I'd say to them is give a decision tree at the beginning to say what is it you need to do, and then not actually show you the whole product, because it's so big. And that's really good, because once you use all of it, it's really valuable. But almost give me an onboarding process that gives me blinkers, so that people just focus on a few things. Because once you start using it, you realize you need the next bit. But actually, you just need to pick one place to get started.
I tell a lot of people you just have one place you need to get started with GHL. Otherwise, you start taking all of it in one go, you're going to drown.